Well, we're in the truck, packed up, and heading to TwitchCon. Probably going to meet up with a couple of folks that I know, some people that you might be viewers of. And yeah, so I guess let's hit the road. Hey everyone, so made it to the Airbnb, all checked in. It's time to get a gear, get the camera, get all that stuff, whatever we're gonna be taking to TwitchCon, and let's get out of here because there's only about 3 more hours left in today before the con closes. Let's go. Kind of a long walk from the Airbnb, but we made it, as you can see. And look what I run into, Kryptonic
HD, 12.8K, on the grind to 1 million. I'm basically there, it's whatever. Lock section.
Yeah.
Woo! You guys have
Whoa, shit, what's up?
Club and get shit cracking.
We're here in the station for streaming via RTX. It looks pretty good.
It's your boy, Kryptonic HD, Emmy here. We're all out here, just recording. Got the camera set up already. We're just out here, becoming the best YouTubers we can. I don't know where Coalition went. He's somewhere.
Hey, plug yourself in.
Kryptonic HD, 12.8K. Right here. Oh, it's backwards. Right here, Kryptonic HD.
Wait. Check me out. Check me out. Instagram. Emmy_Garza. Hey.
Right on. So TwitchCon day 1 is done, and who knows what tomorrow will bring, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do tonight. Just having a drink right now at the Airbnb. We'll see what happens. See you guys in the morning. Good morning. So grabbed something to eat, got some coffee, and we're heading back to the con right now. So yeah, let's get inside. So I'm out here looking for my old buddies at EVGA, and I think I just found their booth. And I see Ray. Oh, there's Jacob. That's Jacob.
Hey, man.
How's it going?
How you doing?
We out here at the Twitch Rivals tournament upstairs from TwitchCon, so it's a real interesting setup here.
Yeah, you approach it with
Really
the same
dig
mindset,
the whole stage and lighting. It's really neat.
Just make a TOS back there.
I appreciate the fact that you asked. I couldn't say that.
You have to consent to everything.
All right, so here I am at the Elgato Corsair booth looking out, and Bible Thump. They came out with something called a multi-mount, which I guess was something that people were getting off of the what you call it, the key lights. So now they came out with a mount by itself, And honestly, this thing looks super cool because the adjustability you get with the multiple ball mounts, you got height adjustment as well. And yeah, this is honestly kind of really cool to see. But like, you can do so many different angles and stuff with it. This is neat. Like, I really dig that. I just came out of the panel for full balancing work life and full-time streaming and all that, and honestly, I got bored. It was nice to sit down for a little while, but very generic information. It wasn't all that useful, so I left. Our situation is a bit different than that because they're just talking about work-life balance and streaming and scheduling and work around that, but doing Coalition Gaming is a bit different than that because we also do video production. Actually, we do that primarily, but so trying to balance more than just full-time home life and streaming is what we're after, and this didn't really address that, so back to the show floor. So here we are at the AverMedia booth, and apparently Touch Portal is partnering with AverMedia, especially here in their streaming stuff. And Touch Portal, as you can see there, that's Touch Portal that you see on that laptop. It's being used essentially like an Elgato Stream Deck. We have a video on this, so if you guys want to check it out, that'll be linked up above and also in the description down below. But yeah, if you have an iPhone, iPad, any iDevice, or an Android device, you could use that for free essentially, although you can pay to get extra features, to have a free Stream Deck, which is super useful. And it's really cool that you can sort of integrate it however you want into the setups, and like that one has the tablet there, and let's go over to the other side and you see how they have it set up over there. So that demonstrated like a computer streaming setup, and now here's a couch streaming setup. They have it on a stand, a tablet on a stand next to them, right here. So like, how cool is that? So I came up here to the meet and greet area. There's all sorts of stuff up here. Food court, loot cave, so you can buy more Twitch merch. They have an artist alley as well, which has a lot of like indie artist stuff, which is a lot of super cool stuff actually now that I look at it. So I'll show you guys some of that. Oh man, starting to get tired, but I also need to get some food, and I love myself some deep dish pizza. So we're getting some Berkeley pizza, some of the best deep dish I've had. I know it's a spot out here, not too far from the convention center, so we're going. All right, back at the Airbnb, and I need to lay down for a second, for a few minutes, maybe take a nap. Man, it's been a long day, I'm tired. Ugh. All right, so trip is done. We're heading back home, already on the road, and hopefully it won't take too long to get there. It doesn't look like there's too much traffic, fortunately, but I guess I'm luckier than most, whereas I can just drive home in 2 hours and I'm done with it. So gotta get to editing this. Whoop, whoop. Alright, so TwitchCon is done. I'm back at home. It was really cool meeting people like Harris Heller, Sam, and Andy from his team, as well as Christopher Yee, and meeting up with other people. I didn't really record much of meeting Christopher Yee because we just caught up as friends, so that was neat. Kryptonic HD, Emmy, a friend of his as well, so it's really cool catching up with some other people I met. Rosa Cha, an upcoming streamer as well, so all these people will be linked in the description down below, so make sure you guys check them out. An event like this has got to be so cool, man. I can't see myself not going to these kinds of events. Really enjoy them. Meeting up with Jacob from EVGA, where he gave me this cool swag. Met some people. Chris from Mr. Beast was also cool to meet. So hopefully whatever he's working on is absolutely successful. I think it's GG Subs. It's like a G Fuel alternative or something like that. And going over to talk to the RTX, the OBS guys that are working with RTX Broadcast Engine for the green screen background replacement stuff. That was neat. There definitely going to be more to come on that once it's a bit more publicly available. They only had like a little demo going there, but so far it looks really good. I talked with Harris Heller a little bit about that, so that was neat. And then definitely talking with other brands like Stream Elements, who I've worked with before, as well as Avermedia and the guys from Touch Portal, who are some awesome guys. Ty and I always gonna mess his name up, Rainier, I think, or he told me just to call him Ryan, whatever, at least Ty told me that. The Touch Portal guys, definitely awesome dudes. And again, make sure you check out our content on Touch Portal. I got some ideas on content to do with that, so there'll be more coming there as well. We have the new setup with the new lighting and stuff that you guys see here, so there's going to be more to come on that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you check out our Twitch. That's twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew. It's linked in the description below. We stream every week. This Thursday will be our last multi-stream to YouTube. So make sure you follow on twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew to catch our future streams, because they're going to be just on Twitch or maybe Twitch and Mixer, but we're still figuring all that out. Anyways, I hope you guys really like this vlog. It's really fun shooting these, and I know they don't always get the best views, but it's just really fun to make and share my trip with you guys and share how I see the event, what I do and stuff like that. It's a little less about the tech stuff and a little less about the streaming and tutorial stuff, just more about going out there and doing my thing. So, hope you guys liked it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Today.